My name is Gino, I am from Peru and I work in a coffee cooperative in Peru where we work with organic coffee. So we had the idea to start a cooperative because of the problems that we had before with other cooperatives. Sometimes the money that we received from other cooperatives, it was not enough for the families. So we decided to create one where the producers and the families can receive more benefits. My cooperative is located in Junín. It is in the middle of the jungle from Peru, and the region is a jungle region, so if you go there, you can find many trees, for example, or many fauna and flora. My cooperative works for the produce organic coffee, so the challenges that we have there is to keep away with coffee in a more environmental and friendly way. We also use the organic stuff to make friendly things with the environment, so we don't have problems with environments later. With my cooperative right now, we are working and trying to developing a new drink instead of coffee. We use the part of the skin from the fruit to produce a tea. And with this method, we approach more from the coffee plant and we don't waste this coffee skin. So it is going to be also good for the environment. If the coffee is not organic and the people doesn't produce organic coffee, then it is going to affect the environment because it is not going to be developed in an organic way, so there are going to be chemics in the process. It's also not good for the environment and also not good for the quality in the cup. We have challenges from deforestation in my country. So, for example, in my region, we sometimes have these problems, but we decided to be more eco-friendly. So, for example, to cover the coffee plants, we try to grow big trees so that they cover the coffee plants, and also it is going to be good for the environment because it is more friendly. But there are many problems in Peru because of deforestation. Also, there are problems with illegal minery. So for this type of projects, they just completely devastate the forests and make their work there. So we had really huge problem with that, and also with people that goes in the middle of the forest and they decided to cut everything and try to live there. But of course there are many problems with that because the earth and the knowledge that they have there is not sometimes the best knowledge. So they are going to use part of the forest, part of the earth, and it is going to be not fertile with the years. So in many years they are going to cut most of them forests, so it is not going to be okay for our country and also for the world, because if you know, Peru is a really in Peru there is the Amazonas, so it is a really important region for the whole world. So if we devastate, then it's going to be bad for all of us. We have problems with climate change in my country. So for example, in our treatments with coffee, most of the time we have like really hot temperatures. So it is also not good for our coffee because it is going dry. So we need to develop new technologies to preview that things and also to improve our process in the coffee. When the weather, for example, is too wet, we also planted huge trees near to our coffee, so it helps the coffee to doesn't go so wet, because it is also going to affect our quality. So we try to do it in an environmental friendly way, so that the coffee is not going to lose quality and also it is going to be friendly with the environment. What we do with my cooperative in terms of environmental education, we try to do all the time workshops with the families so they can know how to manage the earth in their farms, for example, so they have more, for more years they can use the earth there in the ground and in an environmental way. So most of the time we have workshops for them, and also we have a little school for the kids so that they can interest more for environmental projects, and also not only in the school, also their families can teach them how to prevent all of these problems with environment in terms of coffee.